Imagine there are two men outside in the wind, and one of them says, "This must be a hurricane," while the other one says, "No, this is just a gentle breeze." From each of their perspectives, they're not necessarily incorrect, but to one another, the other seems delusional. Now, which delusion would you rather have? Which delusion would I rather have? That the world is crashing in, or that everything is fine when there's potentially something going on? So the person who believes it to be a hurricane, we may think he may be pushed to prepare, while the person who thinks it's just a gentle breeze may be entirely ignoring danger. The person who thinks it's a hurricane, he may in his life never miss any danger, but he may also see danger in everything. And I would propose the one who sees it as a gentle breeze is calm, not because he isn't prepared or that he's missing danger, but because he is prepared. He has built a strong house. He has maybe lots of knowledge and has a strong mind. He has an understanding that we are never safe. He knows that no matter what the outcome of this breeze or this hurricane, that it's just a step in a much bigger process. So I would propose that the one who is in the middle of this danger and is calm is the preferable delusion. Now, of course, they may both be delusional, and it may be just a mild breeze instead of a gentle breeze or a hurricane. But if one is going to be delusional, wouldn't you rather it be a happy delusion? I know for me, I would hope to be the man who enjoys the gentle, cooling breeze in the middle of a hurricane. Let me know what you guys think. Which one would you prefer? And remember to hit that like button and share it if you found this informational. Have a great day.